Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about some important question and answers regarding photosynthesis through this session. So watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start our session and okay. This is our uh, this is here some questions and with their answers. So let's start. Okay. The first question is the process by which green plants make their own food, and that is photosynthesis process, because we know that in photosynthesis process green plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, adding carbon dioxide with water, and the final product is glucose with oxygen. Okay, next question. Which process is essential for the existence of life on earth? So this is also photosynthesis, because we know oxygen and glucose are the final product of photosynthesis as we discussed before, and oxygen is the only element, the reason of our existence on earth. Okay, next question. Photosynthesis occurs in which plant? So this answer will be green plant, because green plant contain chlorophyll pigment and which occurs in photosynthesis, which is a vital element for the photosynthesis. Next question. The only structure in a leaf that hosts chlorophyll is, that is chloroplast. Okay. Next question is photosynthesis converts light energy into which energy? In photosynthesis process, of course, light energy converts into chemical energy, because first appears a light reaction. After that, a dark reaction. That means light independent reaction will be occurred, and this is all total happened by chemical. So light energy converted into chemical energy. Then what is the key role of chlorophyll? The key role of chlorophyll is to absorb sunlight, because it is fixed sunlight. Then the process of photosynthesis takes place in which membrane of the chloroplast? That is thylakoid membrane. Thylakoid, one plate like membrane. The stalks of the thylakoids are called, also it is also grana. Thylakoid membrane like this whole structure called grana. Then the space surrounding the grana is called space. That means this is your grana, and the region inside this is called stroma. Okay. Then where the light dependent reaction takes place. Light dependent reaction, that means this reaction is dependent upon light, and it is take place inside grana. And next question is where the light independent reaction takes place. Light independence reaction takes place in stroma, the inside region of grana. Then why plants appear green? The answer will be chlorophyll absorbs light most efficiently in the blue and red wavelength, but it reflects green light. For this reason, plants appear green. As we discussed in our previous session also, plant contain chlorophyll. This is not the reason plant appear green. Chlorophyll reflects green light from the blue and red wavelength, so that it is appearing green in color. Next question. What is the primary pigment involved in photosynthesis? So we know that the primary pigment involved, that is chlorophyll, because it It absorbs sunlight, and sunlight is most vital element for enhancing the photosynthesis, but drive the photosynthesis process. Next question, during photosynthesis light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of gas. Of course, light energy converted into chemical energy in the form of glucose, that means carbohydrates. Next, which process balance oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere? That is also photosynthesis. Due to photosynthesis process, it can be balanced the most vital gas, because we take oxygen and liberate carbon dioxide, exhale carbon dioxide, and also plants inhale carbon dioxide during the photosynthesis process and exhale, and we can say produce oxygen. Next question, oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from? So oxygen of course comes from water. During the water splitting or breakdown of water, water molecule, oxygen liberated, because we know that water molecule symbolized as H2O, that is H2O. So when it is breaking down, oxygen is liberated. Then the splitting of water molecule is called, it is called photolysis. Splitting of water molecule is called photolysis. Next question, where is the food prepared in sweet potato plant? Okay, as you know, sweet potato plant, it is an underground plant, but it is also occur in this plant also. Photosynthesis occurs in leaves. Okay, how much sunlight falls on earth trapped by green plants? That is 1% of the total falling of sunlight. If we can think about 100% of sunlight, only 1% of sunlight falls on earth trapped by green plants. It is also a fundamental basis of ecosystem. We can read about ecosystem, that is, if we take 100% of sunlight that falls on upon our earth, only 1% of sunlight falls on earth trapped by green plants. Okay, next question, the rate of photosynthesis is maximum in which light? This is one of the important question. And the photosynthesis, the rate of photosynthesis maximum in red light. And the what about minimum? The rate of photosynthesis is minimum in green light. Okay, next, the only metal present in chlorophyll. This is also important question, and that is magnesium. What is the final product of photosynthesis? That we know, glucose and oxygen. In which gaseous exchange occurs on the leaf structure? Okay, gaseous exchange, that means a come and go of oxygen and carbon dioxide, that is stomata. We know that we read about in previous session that there is a specialized structure on leaf, that is stomata, and it allows gas to enter. So this answer will be stomata. Next, during photosynthesis, the oxygen in glucose comes from, of course, oxygen is glucose in glucose, that means C6H12O6. C6H12O6. Here oxygen comes from carbon dioxide. Okay, next, photoglycerate. This is the symbol of glucose. Okay, photoglycerate is of which carbon molecules? That is 3 carbon, because we read previous session that when our carbon dioxide breaks down, it gives 2-3 carbon molecules, that is photoglycerate. Okay, so photoglycerate is a 3 carbon molecule. Okay, next, what is RUBP enzyme? RUBP stands for ribulose biphosphate, by which carbon dioxide is fixed with chloroplast and that is RUBP enzyme. Due to RUBP enzyme, carbon dioxide is fixed with chloroplast so that our photosynthesis process is occurring in the green plants without any type of hesitation, without any type of disturbances. Okay, by which carbon dioxide is fixed with chloroplast. Okay, that is RUBP enzyme or Rubisco enzyme. Then ATP plus PI gives rise to ATP. In this equation, what is PI? PI is the inorganic phosphate. When this inorganic phosphate is added with, here is a mistake. Okay. ADP plus PI. ADP plus PI gives ATP. Adenosine diphosphate when added with inorganic phosphate, it gives adenosine triphosphate. There is a maybe writing mistake. In which water splitting occurs? Water splitting occurs in photosystem 2, and that is photosystem 2 P680. Okay. This was the last question of this session. Hope it will helpful for all of you. We'll meet with another video. Thank you.